For power tools and gardening tools, Murata's high-output lithium-ion secondary batteries. Batteries that can be used repeatedly if recharged are applied in a wide variety of applications such as smartphones, laptop PCs, and power supplies for electric vehicles, EV, and have become a familiar tool. Its application has expanded to include power tools and gardening tools. Battery use in power tools. Conventionally, corded power tools that were used connected to power sockets were applied, but there were issues such as the following. The tools could not be used in locations without electricity. The work area was limited to locations the cord could reach. There was a risk that workers accidentally damage or trip over the codes. To solve these issues, battery-equipped power tools are starting to become more popular. Battery use in gardening tools. Conventionally, gardening tools are equipped with engines and run on fuel such as gasoline. Therefore, there were issues such as the following: environmental issues due to exhaust gas, effects to the surrounding environment due to noise and vibrations, physical burdens on workers. To solve these issues, electrification of gardening tools has started by equipping them with batteries. Challenges to achieve battery-powered power tools and gardening tools. We faced challenges in achieving the development of battery-powered power tools and gardening tools. Since these devices instantaneously require large amounts of power during startup, it was crucial to achieve high-output secondary batteries that are components of the battery packs. Murata's lithium-ion secondary battery has a high output performance. In addition to power tools and gardening tools becoming battery-powered, lithium-ion secondary batteries are being applied to these equipment. Going forward, Murata will actively engage in efforts to solve customer issues through our lithium-ion secondary batteries.